Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. XLM continues to push its price. Ladies and gentlemen, this coin has been going absolutely nuclear. In the last 3 weeks, it has risen, oh my lord, almost 6 times. And at one point, actually, it was almost 6.5 times profit just in a few weeks. Those that have been holding this coin are getting rewarded, ladies and gentlemen. My oh my, hope you guys are eating well. Personally, I do not have this coin, but like I said before, all these older projects, all these coins with a lot of history behind them, they're going to be pumping a lot this altcoin season, because when investors come in, they are going to be investing with something that has a lot of data, a lot of history, and something they're familiar with or were potentially once in. Okay. That is probably one of the reasons why XLM is pumping, right? In terms of technical analysis, it did suggest that we did have a breakout coming, right? We did have a breakout coming. When we look over here, it suggested that we were going to have a breakout, right? We created a very typical type of pattern where it's like a triangle, right? We have this type of block here, went to this, and then we just explode and continue to explode. Something on the fundamental side that made XLM also explode further is the SEC. The person that is on top of that, Gary, he is resigning, right? So the guy that pretty much was anti-crypto, and he's been pretty much suppressing price in a way, him and the SEC, right, with XRP, XLM, and other coins. And now that he's going bye-bye, he's getting sued, right? These coins are flourishing, ladies and gentlemen, right? Not only that, but like I said, overall, they have been just accumulating for a very long time, right? I believe XLM will be going and creating new all-time highs. So if that is the case, that means technically all of this is accumulation, right? This, and this to continue going up. That's what I mean when this whole thing is accumulation, because we're finally going to be breaking out of this 90-cent zone. That is what I believe. Even when we look at it from a market cap perspective, right? XLM, we can see that although the market cap is fairly high, a 10x from here is possible. Yes, it's not extremely likely, but a 10x from here is possible. $5 stellar is possible, right? And the all-time highs is not even $1. It's 93 cents. So even if we were to cut half of that, right, that would still be roughly $2.50, which would again be way past the all-time highs. If we take this tool and we take it to the bottoms, let's say to the relevant bottoms, right, we can see just based off this tool, we have zones, right? $1.50, roughly $2, and even up to $2.80, which is very, very realistic once we break above these all-time highs of 90 cents, which is what I think is going to happen with XLM. Ladies and gentlemen, though, I will say in the short term, just be careful if you are buying this coin, because we are entering a weekly order block, and there could be a potential small sell-off, a retracement, before we continue pumping up, right? What you always want to do is position yourself in coins that look like, they're not pumping hard. And that's when you're going to be making the most amount of gains. I do expect a little bit of a pullback, right? Right now, there is no big confirmation just yet. There's no break of structure. There's nothing suggesting at this current moment that we will be selling off just yet, right? I would have to see a little bit more confirmation. We might do something like this, right? When we go up and then a huge break like this. And that's when we would get the confirmation, when we have that big break of structure. But at this current moment, there are no signs. But just based off other technical analysis, the temporary reversal should be coming sooner than later.